Hi guys, and welcome back to the basement. We're finally making cocktails in our bar again. Our Life from the Well certified bar, mind you. Today, we're going to be making the Modak. This drink is, it's more of a punch, I guess, because there's about 11 ingredients. So instead of building a drink in a glass, I'm going to be building the drink in a bottle with all the spirits. And then this will be what we use to kind of pour the drinks out. But you're gonna pour you're gonna be making a pre-mix, essentially, in this bottle. Rock on. So let's get going. All right, so there's 11 total ingredients. 9 of those are spirits. So let's start with the spirits. There's gonna be some 4 parts and some 3 parts and some 1 parts. Every part in this situation for this bottle is going to be an ounce. So whenever I say 4 parts, that's 4 ounces. Just so you know, because it's going to be a lot. So let's start with Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan, we're going to do 4 parts. I'd say spiced rum, but this is just the one that we always used. So. All right. I didn't bring very many pour spouts to this shooting. So it gives us the opportunity to advertise Life from the Well bottle openers. Set upside down. Life from the Well bottle openers. Hell yeah, you guys, check this motherfucker out. It's your normal bottle opener, but it's also a V-Rod. If you haven't used a V-Rod bottle opener, they're pretty sweet. You pop it over your pour spout, and then you just kind of wiggle it there, and then you pull your pour spout right out. You just pop it over your pour spout there, and then you work it in, and you wiggle it a little bit, and then you pop your pour spout right out. They're pretty sick, and these are for sale on our website soon, or now, depending on when you watch this. Rock on. 4 parts Malibu, so we'll just take the pour spout and put it right back in there, or a coconut rum, but you know, like I said, Malibu, whatever. There we go, 2 ounces, 4 parts of a white rum. Let's use some of this delicious scratch vodka, 4 parts vodka. 3 parts triple sec. That's a 6 count in my head. Let's see, 3 parts of Chambord or Creme De Cassis. Creme De Cassis in this situation. 3 parts Midori, or a melon liqueur. But good luck finding a melon liqueur that is not Midori. 3 parts peach schnapps. 1 part Amaretto. This is your almond liqueur, and so it's going to give you a little bit of a nutty flavor. 1 part, though, only 1 ounce. And now with the rest of this space, we're going to fill that with cranberry juice and pineapple juice. So we do a little bit of cranberry in there. We've got some fresh pineapple. This isn't juice, it's just blended pineapple, so it's a little thicker. But we'll top it with that. And if you don't like pulp, you can always double strain or juice your pineapple. I just blended mine because I love pineapple and I don't mind the fiber. Cool. So you got your Modak here. Cap that, and then we're gonna mix this bottle up just a little bit. So you get all that juice kind of. That is a good thing about the pineapple, is you can really see when it's mixing. All right. Here's your bottle of Modak. Now we're gonna pour this on top of ice and top it with soda. And then we're gonna top with soda water. So right into the mic. Cheers.